I am so amazed how my garden looks after being away from it for a week. I'm going to take you along with me while I harvest some collards for a Christmas dinner. Everything in the garden looks amazing. Here, you're looking at my broccoli. Um, it's coming up. Looks like in a couple of weeks, I should be able to harvest this particular head that you're looking at. The other two plants, the heads are starting to form as well. So I'm blessed and thankful to have these. So we're going to start here at this plant and get some of these leaves here. Then we're going to go to this one. And one more leaf here, maybe two. Okay, we're going to go to my green stalk planter and get some greens from there. Going to get some of these here. Okay, here's our harvest. I've got a few peppers to get, so we're going to get those too. And these are my Marconi peppers. I use these sometimes in place of bell peppers. Here you go. So overall, we got a decent mess of greens, enough for the family. And I want to thank you for coming along. We also got some of these Marconis, and as I mentioned, I use them sometimes in place of bell peppers. They're just as sweet. So if you got something out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please think about doing so. I can grow a lot of collard greens and other stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in any of the products used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care and happy holidays.